So welcome to our garden project. This beautiful garden used to be filled with lavender and geraniums, but our rabbit plague saw all sorts of burrows totally undermining it. For some reason, the rabbits didn't eat the geraniums or the lavender, but they just made it completely ridiculous. So we're having to rabbit-proof the garden bed and get some more soil. So there's a lot of prep work before we actually plant out. So exciting times ahead as we've got the laser level out now, and we're going to make sure our sleepers, our treated pine sleepers, are completely level. So that's going to be one barrier so the rabbits don't burrow in from our lawn onto the garden. This is a perfect area for our vegetable garden because it gets the morning sun and it gets sun pretty much all day. So it's not really that much visual from the road, so we don't mind if some of those cut flowers that don't look pretty in garden beds but look great in vases, we can grow them here with the veggies. It's going to be so exciting. Come along for the journey with me. We've got some cute little helpers on board for us for this project too. There's no poo. Good job. So this is what Pa's doing, and he's going to make our vegetable garden. Won't that be good? So we've got these treated pine sleepers. We've got star posts banged in to keep them straight, screwed to it. And then we've got our existing fence there that we had to keep our old dog in, which we don't really need it anymore, but it's useful for keeping the rabbits out. We're just going to decide whether we're going to get some finer mesh to go in there to keep the rabbits out. You can see some of the burrows that the rabbits dig. What they're not eating, they're just digging holes in the ground everywhere, which is super annoying. There's rabbit burrows absolutely everywhere. We've had to keep tree guards around all our trees because the rabbits were just ring barking them. I can't tell you how many plants we've lost. So we've just given up planting and trying to get the ones that we've got. Our beautiful pergola's yet to have any plants put around it, our rotunda rather, because we're researching rabbit-proof plants. There's just more rabbit holes. They're everywhere, aren't they? They're rascally rabbits. More rabbit holes? Oh dear. Look at all that. All the rabbits are just doing all their poos there and digging all the holes. We're making good progress getting the treated pine sleepers in and making sure they're level.